Hi, I am Mr. MATHdrilejos, your high school math teacher. I am willing to help you with your math problems. Shoot me an email. Just don't forget to like and subscribe my video.
Good afternoon, class. This is Mr. MATHdrilejos, week 2. The topic is quadratic formula. The formula is going to be x is equals to negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the important form for quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. I'm going to do the question number 1 for your example. Question number 1 is x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. We need to identify the letter or the variables, the ABCs. This is B. Okay. There's nothing here, it means 1, so my A is going to be positive 1. The B is negative 3. And my C is positive 2. Okay. So we're going to solve that equation. So solving this equation is important. It's written in quadratic form, in this form. If it's not, we need to do 1 step or 2 more steps to make it in quadratic form. So this example is written in quadratic form. It's easy. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Where A is going to be 1, B is negative 3, and C is going to be 2. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply this formula here. This formula, quadratic formula. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write them in same formula, but this time it's going to be in everything in parentheses for all variables. We're going to use parentheses for all variables. The meaning of parentheses is multiplying. So we're going to use parentheses for all variables. First thing I saw here, which is, let me get some colors, different colors here. My A is going to be 1. I'm going to look for A. Remember, A is the one next to 4, which is 1, and 1 next to 2. My B, which is negative 3. I'm going to write it here, negative 3, negative 3. Next, my C is positive 2. I'm just going to write purple 2. First thing we're going to do is we need to evaluate everything. I mentioned earlier that everything, if you see like parentheses, it means you need to do multiplication. I'm going to start with this number here. It's negative times a negative 3. That gives me a positive 3. Plus this number here, negative 3 times a negative 3, it's a positive 9. 4 times 1 is 4, times 2, it's 8, but there's a negative, so this is minus 8. All over 2 times 1 is 2. The next thing I'm going to do is I need to solve inside, whatever inside the square root. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Square root of 1 over 2. And then this is 3 plus and minus. The square root of 1 is 1. So my answer here will be 3 over 2 plus and minus square root of 1 is 1/2. So what does it mean? You see the two signs there? You need to write both answer. The first answer, let me use this color here. My first answer is 3 over 2 plus 1/2 is equals 4 over 2 or 2. That's my first answer. My second answer will be x equals 3 over 2 minus 1/2 is equals to 1 over 2. That's right. 2 over 2 or equals to 1. Second answer.